Hey, welcome back. Part two. I'm going to get this quarter panel on there all the way, not quarter of the way. So as you can see, decisions were made. I laid it up there best I could to do, straightish. And I cut perfectly straight lines, as you can see there. This is why I clamp them together. I use my, what are those? Clecos. Had those in the drawer forever and thought that'd be perfect for this. Little 1/8" pilot hole, and I Clecoed the panel in place when I was happy with how it fit. Then I just went by and did cutting things. And this is where we're at. So I'm going to attempt to wrestle this thing in place as close as I can to get some of these gaps a little better. And when you're cutting these, one thing you want to remember is make sure you can get around to the backside. If you plan to use these panel butt weld booty clamps that, need to get on the backside. I can get to some, but, I got to get to them all. So that's fun. Definitely buy more than you think you need. I'm going to have to get it close and then move them around and hopefully hold panels in place. But anyway, enough of me chatting, and let's get welding and things. Well, there it is. Got it in there. Tap, 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 all the way around. And didn't look too bad. I threw this god-awful primer on there as thick as I could, so that's why it's running. But I was able to keep style line, and this is not sunk in 2 inches like the other guy did, so I still gotta, you see I didn't take this little guy out. I gotta take that out, weld this little guy, and there's a couple holes under there, but it's late, I'm dirty, I'm gonna do that tomorrow. Anywho, that was me replacing on the quarter panel. Wasn't quite as hard as I thought it was going to be. I probably would do a full quarter in the future. I don't know. Kind of like that I didn't have to get into the gaps, I guess. The door jam in here, or deal with that. Or, pretty much any of the things to get it to fit. I just kind of cut my old one out and set the new one in place and butt clamped it in. Booty clamps. Worked pretty great. Got everything all zipped in and got the outer wheel well to the quarter tacked. And then on the bottom side, these skins come with a, I don't know, little drop down deal right in here. Normally a quarter panel would rest on top of the rocker. So, I mean, this isn't a show car. I probably could have folded it and put the rocker over, but that section of the rocker is going to get replaced with that piece. So just kind of made sense that I just put it in there and have it already lined up already, and then I can just keep going off of that. Not how it's supposed to happen, but that's how I did it. Because, I guess you can say race car, but this isn't really a race car. Anyway, it's enough of me flapping my gums. Thanks for watching me mess up my car and Hope to see you do the same to yours. See you next time.